there goes 22209 on the rate running 1352. East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras from Sheffield. Right, passing now is going to be an East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. 22212. Right, here comes London St Pancras Sheffield. 22203. Another East Midlands Railway Madeira is about to speed by from Sheffield to London St Pancras. Fully painted that one, 22104. Right, there goes 22221 on a slightly delayed 1428 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham from London St Pancras. Just checking out no train behind me. Right, here comes 22214, working the 1432 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Right, here comes the 1452 East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras, 22202. And there goes the 1447 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield from London St Pancras. Triple 2006. Right, and to finish things off here at Loughborough, here comes the slightly late running 1452 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. I've got to be in the front two carriages for about up on saw. This is 170 414. Is this 416? Sorry, is this an ex ScotRail one? I'm sure this is an ex ScotRail one. It is. It's an ex ScotRail one. We'll sit here. Actually, no. I'll go to the front carriage.